Microsoft Word Microsoft Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. It was first released on October 25, 1983 under the name Multi-Tool Word for Xenix systems. Subsequent versions were later written for several other platforms, including IBM PCs running DOS 1983, Apple Macintosh running the classic Mac OS 1985, AT&T Unix PCs 1985, Atari ST 1988, OS 2 1989, Microsoft Windows 1989, SUS Unix 1990, Mac OS 2001, web browser 2010, iOS 2014, and Android 2015. Using Wine versions of Microsoft Word before 2013 can be run on Linux. Commercial versions of Word are licensed as a standalone product or as a component of Microsoft Office suite of software, which can be purchased either with a perpetual license or as part of Microsoft 365 subscription. History. Main article: History of Microsoft Word. Origin. In 1981, Microsoft hired Charles Simonyi, the primary developer of Bravo, the first GUI word processor, which was developed at Xerox PARC 13. Standard work on a word processor called Multi-Tool Word. Can soon hired Richard Brody, a former Xerox intern, who became the primary software engineer. Microsoft announced multi-tool Word for Xenix and MC-DOS in 1983. Its name was soon simplified to Microsoft Word. Free demonstration copies of the application were bundled with the November 1983 issue of PC Word, making it the first to be distributed on disk with a magazine. That year, Microsoft demonstrated Word running on Windows. Unlike most MS-DOS programs at the time, Microsoft Word was designed to be used with a mouse. Advertisements depicted the Microsoft mouse and described Word as a WYSIWYG windowed word processor with the ability to undo and display bold, italic, and underlined text. Although it could not render fonts, it was not initially popular since its user interface was different from the leading word processor at the time. WordStar. However, Microsoft steadily improved the product, releasing versions 2.0 through 5.0 over the next 6 years. In 1985, Microsoft ported Word to the classic Mac OS, known as Macintosh, in 1985.